This 2026 NuCamp Haven Queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, awning, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, external shower, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Haven Queen is 3,852 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.